I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Nissan Altima. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need new engine oil, typically 0W20 or 5W30, depending on your model, and a new oil filter. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely raise the front of your Altima using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Replace the drain plug, ensuring it's tight, and then carefully add the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts. After refilling, lower your Altima and start the engine, letting it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Remember to properly dispose of the old oil. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.